Gagawin po natin sa mga tumataas na LDL, kapatid. Gagawin natin dun is we go the next step. Figure out what kind of elevation is this. This is something that you should worry about. So, paano mo malalaman? You have to have additional tests. So, pwedeng magpa-ApoB, LDLP. Kung nandito kayo US, Canada, pwedeng tignan ninyo kung meron na kayong access to other tests like CIMT. Pwede rin po yung cardiac angio. Depende po kung negative po yung mga confirmatory test, then nothing to worry about at this stage po. Tumataas po talaga yung LDL in some cases, but not all cases are bad na pagtaas ng LDL. However, you cannot just guess that. Hindi mo yan pwede hulaan. You need to do the additional test. Kasi paano nga kung mataas pala? Like in the cases of my patients, may mga patients akong ganyan, low carb sila, tumaas yung kanilang cholesterol, tumaas yung kanilang LDL, pina-check ko yung mga confirmation test, mataas din. So, sa ganun pong kaso, hindi po natin pwedeng sabihin na, sige, tuloy mo lang yan. No, it's gonna cause trouble. Magbabara yung ugat, right? Because ApoB is a marker of pagbabara ng ugat, atherosclerosis. So, hindi po tama na sasabihin na okay lang, mag-low carb ka lang. It depends, kapatid. Kaya nga, you do the next step po.